I've never done a deck unboxing before, so let's unbox this deck. What could it possibly be to go along with all the other decks I've got? What could possibly make me want to get another deck? And is it indeed in one piece? Let's check it out. So the first thing is, how well's it been boxed? Well, we've got the power lead, just a standard figure of 8, but there's plenty of bubble wrap. That's one thing. And we've got bits of polystyrene around the edges. But here's the main event. What is it? Any ideas yet? Well, it is, and it weighs a ton. It is, in fact, can you see that? Let's have a see. You get this angled properly for the camera. It is an Akai GX-F95. So, well, it's not like rattling around. So that's a good thing. I reckon we should plug it in, wire it up, get a proper good look at it. Impressive looking beastie, isn't it? So I wasn't planning on doing this video. I've just done it on the fly. It turned up and it's like, oh well, I might as well film it. It'll give you guys something to watch, and I don't do a lot on decks, so here we go. So why the Akai GX-F95? Well, it says a lot for a deck of this age. Look at the features on it. Auto tuning, it's quartz locked, it's a direct drive 2-motor system. It's got the GX head, and it's obviously a 3 head with real-time tape counter. It weighs a ton. This is a heavy deck. So let's fire it up now and let's fingers crossed see that it works. Ready? It's alive! What a beautiful looking thing it is as well. Look at that VU display. Proper red LED for the counter. Auto computer tuning. Now, there were a couple of issues with it when I bought it, which I knew about. One of them was this little ding here. Ugh. That doesn't really bother me, and there's another one on top. Also, you see a lot of the controls are under here, and this is motorised, and this doesn't work so well supposedly, but let's have a look. Seems alright to me. Let's see if it closes. Bonus. Just maybe needs a bit of lube, but that's about it. So what do you do now? Well, the first thing to do, I think, is to check to see whether it actually ejects. Let's have a look. Yay! Okay, that ejects. Goody gumdrops. Right, so let's have a look here. This is the auto tuning system. Test, write, memory and reference. And of course, being a bloke, I haven't read the book, you know what I mean? It doesn't come with a manual. I'm not seeking it out, but I'm pretty sure I know this should work. So let's, because I've just put it up temporarily, let's just whack it here. Let's put the old headphones in. And I'm not going to give you live audio. You're going to get the audio via my speakers. Because like I say, I'm just testing to make sure this is what it is. So let's put reference tape in. 1990 SA, I would think if a deck can't handle that, there's something wrong with it, so that's in. Yeah, reference, it's recognised it as a CR02, but let's fast forward it on a bit. Oh, they're nice buttons and the light up. Okay, stop. Okay, and I take it we just click here, which is test. Yeah. Right, it's going to go away and is it going to calibrate? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's flashing on there, it's flashing test, it's doing the bias, it's doing the EQ. Taking them all on the EQ. Oh, what's this now? It's doing the level, is it? Yeah, level. I call the button to light up different colours. It's awesome. Okay, they're done. Let's rewind it to where it was. And about the fact that pause, rec and player are done, it's ready to record. So, right, first things first, let's put a test tone through it and see what the old levels are like. I mean, obviously, it's straight out of the box now, and it might need tweaking because it wasn't sold as being fully serviced or anything. So let's think getting it this far, it's in one piece, and it seems to work is a good thing. So let's just right, let's have a look. Here we go, tape and source. So I'm going to switch it to source, and I'm going to put 440 Hertz tone through it. Okay, right, okay, so this is pretty level, but we can see we've got a big desperate change between left and right channels. So let's see if we can adjust this. I'm going to match rather than having to do it internally afterwards. Get that to 0. Let's see if we can match them up. Yeah, I think this switch might need a bit of deoxit. Okay, right, yeah, I've got it about 0 there. So let's see how this translates to the cassette. So if I press pause here, or play even, it should, yeah, it's just start recording. Let's listen to the tape. And you see the tape balance is out. So I'd rather, let's have a look. Yeah, tape balance is out. So let's adjust this again. Okay, that's about right on the tape, but like I say on the source, it's quite a bit different. Like I say, it probably needs some calibration, but that doesn't matter. I'm just seeing that it works. Okay, so let's stop the test tone, put a bit of music on it. Let's have a see. Check real-time tape counter. If we change that to time, whether it does it. Okay. Okay, that seems a bit low. It should be a bit hotter than this. Maybe it's the volume on the source. No. Crank it up a bit. It's a pretty thing though, isn't it? Okay, that's a bit hot now. Glad we're adding more bass to it, but yeah. So stop it, fast forward, does that work okay? Yeah, it seems to be okay. Stop it and rewind it. So that's all the quick testing that I'm going to do of this deck. Just unplug that. Press that, that's so cool, I love that. Yeah. Because basically, I wasn't planning on doing this video because this isn't actually my deck. I've got a friend over in America who, I'm not going to mention his name, but if I said to you, he's probably got more decks than anybody I know. He has like 2 Tandbergs and a 1000 ZXL, but he really wanted one of these. It was one of his bucket list decks to get. There was this one in the UK, and the guy wouldn't ship it to him, so he asked me if I would fence it for him. So more than anything, this is a video for you fella, you know you are. Send me an email, let me know that you're happy with it as it is, so I can give the guy who sent me some feedback. It looks okay, it's all in one piece, everything seems to work. It just needs to, I think, just have a good clean of the pots, which I'm sure you can do. Probably a reload maybe, and a bit of calibration, but other than that it seems to be all working nice and as described. So now if you're happy, what I've got to do is I've got to pack this all up, put it in probably a bit more bubble wrap and get it sent across the Atlantic, and that's going to cost a fortune because prices to America recently have just gone up 40% because of USPS wanting more for a last mile delivery thing, which can't help but make me think maybe they don't want people to be importing stuff. Keep America great, don't buy stuff from abroad, but yeah, that's what it seems to be. So yeah, I just thought while I had this deck and it's an interesting and rare one, might as well give you a little video on it. But yeah, looks really good, and if another one cropped up for a decent price, then yeah, maybe I would actually get one to add to my collection. But there we go, that's it for now, so please like and subscribe. Until next time, happy taping. Bye bye.